Alright. We are in the suburbs of Rome right now. There is there's a huge windstorm going on, and this is the second night in a row that we've heard this incredible wind. Last night the thunder and lightning kept us up, and this night it looks like it's going to be the same. I don't know if you can hear it right now, so I'm going to shut up, but over there and over here, door number 2. And from that door right there,
number 3.
we are hearing weird crashing noises and incredibly
crashes.
So far.
3 crashes so far. I think one of them was a car.
So, we are just extremely thankful and praising God that we are inside right now, not out in the rain. Let's see how long the outside stays outside and the inside stays inside.
I think it's going to be very long.
So, I'm going to shut up for about a couple seconds and let you watch the door bang and listen to that wind.
I can feel it in here.
Yeah, this isn't even nearly as bad as it was.
I'm waiting for another crash.
Yeah. Alright. Anyway. So, ciao from Ostia, near Rome. Ciao from Italy.